My name is May. I am the founder of Simplifying Life. I run Better Your Money training workshop to help people achieve their financial goals, to help people have a healthy, balanced relationship with money. Why? Because to be successful financially, it's got to start with a healthy view of money. We're going to tackle some of the myths that we've had about money that we're not even aware of. Some of the attitudes towards money that we have that is damaging. This course meant to be lighthearted. At the same time, we are serious about saving. There is a web link below where you can register yourself. Email us if you have any question. My email is here. There is $5 registration fees, but that's just for your commitment. At the end of the workshop, if you feel like it's not even worth $5, please make contact with me. I am happy to refund your money, because this is not about money. It's about helping each other. It's about empowering each other. It's about supporting each other. To be healthy financially, it's often started with a healthy view of money. That's why it's important. The course is not about providing you with legal advice around money though. We don't sell anything to you. We don't encourage you to pursue wealth and riches either. It's not about that. It's purely about educating and empowering you about money. So come along. It's fun. You will walk away feeling inspired, I promise. See you. Come and join us.